59 MG Model A, I guess it's called Model A MG. So British to the max, 1959. And you look at the styling of this thing. It's already, to me, this is a beautiful car from 1959. It looks, if they sold this car today, I mean, it would sell, even with those wheels on it. I mean, to me, those wheels were nice because there's less garbage involved with alloys and all this other garbage. Very simple to change the top out. You had your side curtains on here, luggage rack, and fun car to drive. British, basically got taken over by Leyland Motors and all the corporate garbage. The heads and CEOs of all these companies ruin the innovative spirit of everything. And actually, this is what's going on with YouTube and Google too, right? The top people are ruining all the innovative spirit of everybody. You got the MG over here. Nice touch. It's not, it's a separate plate. It's like everything in here is a chrome bezeled instruments, knobs. In other words, it's not a touchscreen electronic piece of garbage. Like, I hate that stuff that they got today. I like hands-on controls that you can fix. When there's a problem with it, you can say, that's physically wrong. Let's use a little WD-40 and clean the electric contact, and we're good to go again. And today, you can't fix nothing. All right, you got to change out this electronic module. It costs you $800, more than the whole engine. These are the cars. If they didn't rust out, that's why I'm so high on de-rusting and protecting for rust on my little 4x4 Suzuki and my 78 El Camino, 85 Suzuki 4x4. I protect the hell out of that thing with rust. Got a truck bed lining under there, chassis saver, the whole 9 yards. If this car had like 12 coats of galvanizing right from the factory and it never rusted, most of these cars would still be on the road today. Even if they got dents in them, they could fix that. Unless they're like really wrecked, Because the mechanics on them, you can rebuild. It's like, these cars, they go forever. It's like, I know some people don't have the patience to rebuild them, but when you got rust and there's nothing left of the car, that's when it goes into crusher. If the whole thing is gone, that's what happened to most of these old cars. If they were dipped in galvanization, like 12 coats of galvanization or something, or they had aluminum on the bottom or something, the floor pan that was somehow structurally riveted into something else or whatever. I mean, the undercarriage was all aluminum. That would have made these cars really last, because most of the stuff is on the bottom, not on the top where it rusts.